What if I told you that a single stone could shape status, power, and even spiritual identity in ancient American cultures? I'm talking about jadeite, one of the toughest, rarest minerals on the planet, and a true game-changer for the societies that discovered it. Let's start with the basics. Jadeite is a pyroxene mineral, with the chemical formula NaC2O6. That might sound technical, but it just means it's a sodium-aluminum silicate. Super rare, super tough. On the Mohs scale, jadeite clocks in at a solid 6.5 to 7. It's even harder and denser than nephrite, the other mineral commonly known as jade. Picture colors from apple green to deep emerald, sometimes even pure white or speckled. Geologically, jadeite's story is epic. It forms deep underground in subduction zones, where one tectonic plate slides under another. High pressure, relatively low temperatures, and the right chemical mix create this miracle mineral. It's not everywhere, mostly where ancient serpentinite-rich rocks rise up. That's why it's so rare, and why finding a big chunk is like striking mineral gold. Now here's what scientists are learning right now. Recent electron microprobe studies have revealed even more about jadeite's composition. Tiny impurities like iron, magnesium, and calcium give each piece its unique fingerprint. This helps researchers trace ancient trade routes and even spot modern fakes. Jadeite's legendary toughness comes from its interlocking crystal structure. Think of it like microscopic puzzle pieces that make it nearly impossible to break or weather away. So, why did American cultures, especially native groups in the Pacific Northwest and California, treat jadeite like treasure? First, its strength and durability made it the perfect material for tools, weapons, and ceremonial objects. But there's more. The stone's beauty, the shimmer, the color, the feel, became a symbol of status, spiritual power, and identity. Owning jadeite meant you were connected, respected, and maybe even protected by the spirits. Artifacts made from jadeite have been found in ancient trade networks, showing it wasn't just a local obsession, it was part of a wider cultural exchange. And today, native artists still carve jadeite into jewelry and sculpture, honoring a tradition that's thousands of years old. Quick fast facts. Chemical formula, NaC2O6, hardness, 6.5 to 7 Mohs, color, apple green to emerald green, formation, high-pressure metamorphic rocks in subduction zones, used for tools, ornaments, symbols of power and spirit. Hypothesis time. Why all the praise? I think it's the rare combo of beauty, toughness, and meaning. Jadeite is both physically and symbolically unbreakable, and that's something every culture can respect. This video was provided by CARTONIUS.com, your trusted Mexican source for bookbinding materials. Thanks for watching.